Hello everyone, today I am going to share with you such an easy recipe of mutton in which you do not have to worry about frying onion to cook. Tasty mutton is get ready in a very short time. To make this recipe, chop 6 medium sized onion and put into the pressure cooker. Add salt as per taste, then soften the onion by using your hand as shown in the video. Then add into it 3 tablespoons ginger garlic chili paste. Then add few powdered masala like 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. Then add few whole spices like cinnamon stick, clove, green cardamom, black pepper, star anise, etc. Chopped 1 tomato and add. Also add few coriander leaves. Then add around 1 kg of mutton. I am going to add 1 tablespoon ghee and also adding oil as per needed and mix all this thing well. Now add water. Take as much as water that comes slightly above the surface of a mutton. Usually it takes 30 minutes to cook, but it depends on its texture and also you are cooking it on how much heat. Now close its lid and check the mutton after 4 to 5 whistles. As I have said that it completely depends on mutton's texture, that how much time it's taking to cook. After 4 to 5 whistles, turn off the gas flame and do not open its lid. Let it rest. When its steam will get released automatically by its own, then open its lid. Remove one piece of a mutton in a bowl of water and check whether it's done or not. Keep the gas flame high and dry its excess water. Garnish with coriander leaves. So what you are thinking of it? Do try this quick, easy and mouth-watering recipe and comment below.